The Hidden Garden. Once upon a time, in the small village of Meadowbrook, there lived a curious girl named Ellie. She loved to explore the woods near her house, always searching for new adventures. One sunny afternoon, as the golden rays filtered through the trees, she stumbled upon a rusty old gate hidden behind thick vines. Driven by curiosity, Ellie pushed the gate open and discovered the most beautiful garden she had ever seen. Flowers of every color bloomed in perfect harmony, and a crystal-clear pond sparkled in the middle. The air was filled with the sweet scent of jasmine and the sound of chirping birds. In the center of the garden stood an ancient oak tree with a carved inscription. "Only those with a kind heart may enter and keep this secret." Ellie smiled, feeling warmth spread through her chest. She spent hours exploring, finding magical creatures like glowing butterflies and a shy fox with silver fur. Ellie returned to the garden every day, but she never told anyone about it. The garden became her sanctuary, a place where she could dream and feel at peace. Over time, she noticed something extraordinary. The garden seemed to reflect her emotions. When she was happy, the flowers bloomed brighter. Years later, Ellie grew up and became a kind and wise woman, always helping others. She realized the garden had taught her the importance of nurturing not just plants, but also relationships and kindness. Even as an adult, she kept the garden a secret, knowing it was a treasure meant only for those who truly understood the magic of a kind heart.